everyone. I am Orishawaimi Ariko. I'm here to invite you to the Women's Convention of the Holy Spring Bible Church, God's Favorites. We are God's favorites. And I'm using this opportunity to invite you to our convention that starts this week, Friday, the 20th of September, through Sunday, the 22nd. The theme of the convention is restoration. The Lord God said He will restore. For everything that the palmer worm, the caterpillar, the cankerworm have eaten, that is going to restore it back to you. Why not join us this Friday and witness the power of restoration? See you there.